Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a donut chart in Canva. This is a great option if you want to visually break down data like sales sources, product categories, or marketing performance. Let's get started inside your existing project so the chart appears exactly where you need it, whether that's on a presentation slide, a report, or a graphic for your Shopify store. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main toolbar, which is where all of Canva's building blocks live. Click on Elements to open Canva's library. At the top of that panel, there's a search field that lets you quickly find what you need. Type Donut Chart and look for the option that appears under the Charts category. Click it once, and Canva will place a donut chart on your canvas automatically. That's all it takes to add the chart, and you can resize or reposition it right away to fit your layout. Now, with the donut chart selected, look to the left again. You'll see a data panel appear, and this is where you can edit the information that drives the chart. Click into each label to rename your categories clearly. For example, things like online sales, email marketing, or paid ads. Then type new values in the number fields to represent your data, such as revenue amounts, order counts, or traffic sources. As you update these numbers, the donut will adjust instantly, so you can see how each segment grows or shrinks in real time, which makes it easy to spot trends or imbalances. You don't need to convert your numbers into percentages. Just enter your raw values, and Canva will calculate the proportions for you automatically. This is especially helpful if you're working with real business data and want to avoid manual math. Keep labels short and descriptive, and make sure your numbers reflect the story you want to tell, whether that's highlighting a top-performing product or showing how diversified your traffic sources are. If a category isn't needed, simply clear its value so it won't show up in the donut, keeping the chart focused and uncluttered. Below the chart, you'll also find chart setup controls that let you fine-tune how your data is shown. This is where you can choose whether data labels or a legend are visible, adjust how labels are displayed, and pick colors for each segment to make differences easy to see. Aim for a color palette that offers good contrast and stays consistent with the rest of your design, especially if you're matching your Shopify brand colors. If your chart has many categories, consider using lighter and darker shades of the same color family so the chart stays readable without feeling overwhelming. You can also sort your slices so the most important categories are easier to spot at a glance, such as placing your highest revenue source first. As you make adjustments in the data panel and the chart setup area, keep an eye on the donut to ensure it's clean and clear. The goal is to help your audience understand the information quickly, without having to guess what the data means. When everything looks right, your labels make sense, the values are accurate, and the visual style matches your project, you're done. You've successfully added and customized a donut chart in Canva, using the data panel on the left and the chart setup options below to control exactly how your data is presented. This kind of chart is perfect for reports, dashboards, or marketing visuals that clearly communicate key insights at a glance. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. If you're building your Shopify store or creating visuals for your brand, subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another Canva or Shopify topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.